Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. This evening I'm going to be doing a very simple song, and it's a request by a friend of mine, and it's Happy Birthday to You. Alright, it's very simple, and I hope we are able to do it in two keys, C and F. Alright, so without much ado, I'm going to be teaching you the progression in a very simple way. Um, but before then, I would like to thank everyone who has been subscribing to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, if you are new, there is a beginner playlist on my channel and then on my website. You can find the link of my website in the description box below. All right. Now, the videos of the beginner series have been arranged on my website. You can also use the playlist. Any of them is okay. Aside that, after the beginner playlist, which has 36 videos, I have started a couple of series, the ninth chords, and then currently I'm on the seventh chords. So if you are not conversant with all the keys, inversions, and progressions as a beginner, go and check the beginner videos and then come and continue. So we're going to be doing Happy Birthday in the key of C. Alright, so the progression is a 1, and then a 5, back to a 1, and then to a 4, to a 5, then to a 1. So, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Alright, so 1, 5, a 5, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So this is a chord 1, chord 5, from a chord 5 to a chord 1. Then a chord 1 to a chord 4, and then chord 5 back to chord 1. Alright, so that's it, and so we're going to be adding some chords to it, and then some passing chords. So happy birthday to you. Then we do a 6-7-1. Happy birthday to you. Then we do a 5 over a 1. Happy birthday. So it's like it's a 1-1. So we are doing a 1-1 over the 5. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so let me play it again. Then you do a 6, 7, 1. Then you do a 1 over 5 like this. Then a 3 to a 4. Then you play the diminished. Okay. Or just the 4, you sharpen this chord to make a diminished chord. Alright. So happy birthday. Then you do a 5 over 1 again. Happy birthday to you. So let me play everything and then slow it down again. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So that plays happy birthday a 3, then you move to a 4, then you do a 5 over 1, and then a 7 like this, then you end. Alright, so let's move on to key F and then C. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so it's 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1. Alright, so now let's add some chords to it. So you can play this, then 6, 7, 1. Okay, then you play 1 over 5. Alright, yeah, so it's like 1. Then you do the okay, so 1, 5, then a 6, 7, 1. Then you do a 1 over the 5. Then a 3, 4. Then you slant. You play the diminished. Then a 1 over 5. The G7, C7 rather. Then you end in the suspended. Alright, so where I play the 5 and then the 1, you can play a 1. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so I hope this tutorial is helpful. Now, if you are celebrating your birthday, I'd like to sing my own special birthday song for you. Right. Happy birthday. I am saying I love you. God is with you till the end of time. We are saying well done. You will abound in every good